Hi everyone. In the previous lecture, we see this topology where we understand the implementation of default routing and static routing. While I use this topology, I had an idea to extend it over and give you a detailed explanation of default routing and static routing and also implement it in the CLI and implement also how we can ping from PC1 to PC6 to check the connectivity so that it finalized that yes, it has configured perfectly. So this was our previous one. Now let me take you to the new topology. So as you can see, in this topology here, let me zoom it. Yes. So this is our new topology. Here I have add just one more router and made it similar to every single LAN. And now I've gave this intermediate network as 192.168.60.0. Okay, now let's understand the default route and static route once more. So here, when it comes to communicate with this, here we will give our default route. Okay, so for default route, it will be our, as we have seen in the previous one, the command. We will do here the static route and also here. So we'll give the same our 0.0.0.0 with subnet mask 0.0.0, and the next hop for this will be our 20.2 192.168.20.2. And but similarly for R3, when it comes to communicate to 192.168.50.0, for this particular R2 we use our default route as IP route 0.0.0 with subnet mask 0.0.0.0, and then next hop for this is 192.168.40.2. So this was clear in the previous one. Now the thing that we have added here is this particular thing or R4. So when it comes for R2, when there is a case where we want to communicate to our 192.168.30 network, here we will configure a static route where I will give in our R2 IP route for this network, that is 192.168.30.0 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. My next hop for this is 192.168.60.1. So to reach this network, use this next hop. And similarly for this, to reach this network, use this hop, that is 192.168.20.1. And to reach this network, use this hop 192.168.40.3. Now let me implement it in the CLI. Give me a moment. So here, as you can see, I have already configured it with the static routing in every router, as you can see here. See, to reach 50 network, this is our next hop 40.3. To reach our 10.0 network, this is our next hop 20.1. To reach 30 network, this is our next hop, right? Similarly, I've configured our R4, as you can see here. So all the configuration part is done. Now let me try to ping it. I've tried it before, but still I would like to ping it. Let me, now I will ping 192 168. My network was, let me see one small, 50. So let me communicate our, let's suppose PC5. It to which network it belongs to, 192.168.50, right? And the IP address for this is 50.1, right? Yes. So 50.1. So here, as you can see, it is succeed. The success rate is 100%. So this was it for the implementation of our static and default route, a full-fledged implementation. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.